So here is a summary of today's session. In today's session, we went over Chapter 1 and Chapter 2 of the textbook. In Chapter 1, we discussed the following topics. In the computer system, we have hardware and software. Computer programs utilizing CPU for calculations and operations, and stores data and the code in memory. A program consists of keywords and syntax. Most programs use the binary code, but Java uses a byte code, which is executed using JVM, Java Virtual Machine. In the programming process, we use text editor to create source code, use a compiler to create a class file, and use Java runtime, which is the Java Virtual Machine, to execute the program's bytecode. And we also have an IDE, Integrated Development Environment, to integrate all these text editor, compiler, and the Java Virtual Machine runtime all together. In Chapter 2, we discussed the basic Java programming components. We discussed the parts of Java program, how a Java program consists of, what components do we have in the Eclipse IDE, starting with project and the package and the Java file and the class. And in our particular course, we will only utilize in one project, and you only need to create one package at a time. And each package, you can have multiple Java files, but each Java file will only have one class. We discussed about the variables and the literals, how to assign values to them, how to define the data types, how to perform arithmetic operations. And we also talked about print and print line methods, as well as console, which provides us the input and output method for a program. Then we also go through the string class, how to operate and certain functionalities, certain methods of the class, like length, like to uppercase, to lowercase. And finally, we go through the comments, programming styles, as well as the scanner and dialog box of input and output. So let's go through the assignment for this session. Again, I'm logging into CityTech Blackboard. Turn out I have already logged into it, so I'm going to click on the course, go to weekly activities to the left. And now we go through week 1. All the way to the end, we have assignment. In assignment 1, we have 4 questions. The first question asks you to follow the instructions provided in the session videos, download and install the latest version of Eclipse onto your computer. Once completed, launch Eclipse, choose the default workspace, then take a screenshot of your Eclipse welcome screen and submit your answer. So you need to create the screenshot as a file and attach the file to this question. Don't forget to save the answer. And question 2, 3, 4 are all programming questions. For example, in the first one, it asks you to calculate how much the East Coast division will generate if there's something in sales this year. You need to write a Java class to calculate this value and print it out. After you create the Java class and after you finished typing, finished output, and make sure that the output is correct, you need to copy and paste your program code, your Java code, into here and save the answer. So make sure you can run Eclipse, launch Eclipse, create a project, create a package, create a class. and implement your code inside the class. And do this for all 3 questions. All right, so this is the assignment. You can always go to discussion board for questions and answers. Yes, I'm going to leave here. So I already create a general discussion forum where you should be able to create thread and reply to, to other people and see my reply. So much is the question, is the assignment. Good luck.